welcome back to your channel. It's your girl LuvNailsNicole, and today I have some nail mail to share with you guys that I'm super excited to get. I'm gonna first start off with this one, which is from, get it out of here. Hubby opened this excited, thinking it was his package. It was mine. But I got some nail mail from Madam Glam. I'm so excited because I have not tried Madam Glam yet, and I have been wanting to try Madam Glam for a while now. So they sent me a package to share with you guys, and I'm going to swatch the colors that I picked out today as well so we can see what they look like. But I love the box. It's really pretty. This black and gold. It says Madam Glam, New York, everything you love at your fingertips. And it says, hello, glamorous here. You are on board for amazing VIP manicures. Okay. So their products are, I don't know if this is high enough, but their products are 21 free, cruelty free, vegan, and palm oil free. So that's awesome. I love that they are 21 free. You can find Madam Glam on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So they sent me this package, and then they also sent me this cute Madam Glam New York Mini UV LED lamp. It is a 6-watt, 1 button, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds setting. So we're going to use this lamp as well to cure the gel polishes. So let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, regular soak off gels. Tells you the application steps. Okay, so I was able to pick out 3 colors, and they sent me a top coat and a base coat, which is right here. And what I love about their polishes is they have these little swatch tops, and I really like that. But this is the base coat. This is the top coat. Ooh. And these are the colors that I picked out. So, you know, my favorite color is pink. I'm always sticking to pink and blues. So I picked out this Madam Glam. This one is called Barbie Girl, and it's just a really pretty pink shade. You can see it in the swatch top here. I love this. That is so nice. So if you're storing them in your drawers, you can just look down at the colors and just pick your color from looking at the swatch lids. I really like that. And then this next color is Blair Waldorf, I think that's how you say it, from the TV show Gossip Girl. And it's a really pretty, just tealish color. I sort of have on a teal, but this one looks like it's a bit lighter. But I used to watch that show Gossip Girl all the time, so I had to get this one. And then I love this color. Blue is so pretty. These are just like great summer colors. This one is called Maddie, and it's just a really, really pretty blue. So even though you guys can see the colors here swatched on the tops, I still want to go ahead and swatch them on the swatch sticks and use their gel nail lamp to see how that turns out. So let's go ahead and do that. Get this open. Okay, so it comes with a charging cable. I might have to charge it up, but it's just a white mini lamp. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it up for a little bit so it can get a charge, because you know what, I don't know if it works cordless, or do I have to plug it up for it to work? I may have to plug it up. I mean, it may have, you know, it might have to stay plugged in order for it to work. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like I have to have it plugged up. It's not like a chargeable one, which is fine. So I just have it plugged here into my lamp that has a plug on it, so I can reach the, reach my area easy. So it has a nice size long cord to it too, so I like that. But you can see that's how it looks on. And I have my little pink swatch sticks out, and that's what we're gonna use. So I'm gonna start with the pink. Ooh, this is really like a nice bright hot pink. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this bright, but I love it. This is a really, really nice summer color. This will be pretty on a pedicure. The formula is nice, really, it's nice and thick. And I didn't think I'd have enough on the brush to go over the whole nail, but it's covering it really nice. Yeah, this is really nice. All right, so I'm just go ahead and cure this. Okay, so you press button once for curing for 45 seconds. Press a second time for 60 seconds. And the third press will be to turn off the lamp. So I only pushed it once, so it's gonna go for 45 seconds, but I'm pretty sure you probably need to cure these for 60 seconds to maybe a little more. I'm not too sure. I did not look that up. Let's see. Curing time 2 minutes by UV lamp and 30 seconds by LED lamp, so it should be good for that 45 seconds. I want to go over it with the top coat just to see what type of shine we get from that. Let's try. I cannot wait to use these colors. I want to take these nails off so I can do them. Okay. All right, let that cure. We'll move on to Blair Waldorf. So let's do a little thin coat of this one. I really like this color. I was trying to go out of my pink, blue, and purple box and get a different color. So I chose this one. They have so many beautiful colors on the site. It was so hard for me to pick the colors. It took me like a day or two because it was just way too many to pick from. They have glitters, they have pudding gels, like the cat eyes. They've got, I mean, just all kinds. You got jellies, just a bunch of really, really nice colors. They have tools, they have brushes, they have big lamps and these little lamps. They have a lot of things you can choose from. All right, so this is how it looks with the top coat on it. It does give it a nice shine. I could do a second coat, but you know, since it's on the swatch stick, you know, it's fine like this. So I'll just write and label it so I'll know that it was my Madam Glam. All right, let's do this blue color. This is so pretty. All the colors are. Like, I'm really, really in love with all the colors. Oh, it's a piece of lint on that one. Let me get that off. Okay. That is gorgeous. Oh, I love that color. All right, so this is how the Blair turned out. This is the Barbie pink. They're so pretty. This one has the top coat on it. But, I mean, it has a great shine still, even without the top coat. But the top coat help it last longer. Okay, so this one's done curing. And I just absolutely love this blue color. I love them all. They're all so pretty. I definitely will be ordering some more of their colors, you guys. Once you go on their site, it's going to be so hard to choose colors. I'm telling you, they have tons of beautiful colors. So I do have a 30% off code for you guys. Off your entire order at MADAMGLAM.com. I would love for you guys to go give their site a visit. Check out all the amazing colors, polishes, combos. They have so many things to choose from that you guys can get. And you can use my code will be LuvNailsNicole 30_1. I think it might be _1 or -1. I'm going to put everything in the description box. And in the description box, I'm also going to have a direct link for you guys to click. You will click that link and it will take you directly to the Madam Glam website. And the coupon will automatically be activated at checkout. So that's all you guys have to do. If you do not want to become a VIP member, all you have to do is choose the pay-as-you-go option, and you can check out that way as well. So yes, you guys will get 30% off with the coupon code. It will be in the description box below, along with the link that all you have to do is click. And I hope you guys go check them out and order away, because I'm definitely going to have to order me some more colors as well. But make sure you guys stay tuned for my next Madam Glam video, because I am going to be polishing my nails with these pretty colors. I'm probably going to do a pedicure with this color as well, but I'm super excited. I'm in love with the formula. I love the colors. It has such a great shine. Yeah, and I'm so happy I was able to try Madam Glam. So thank you, Madam Glam, so much for sending me this beautiful set of polishes. I love it. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next mail that I got. I was not expecting to get, but I'm going to go ahead and pack this up. And I will show you guys what else I got for nail mail today. And this order came really fast too, you guys. It came a lot quicker than I expected it to come. So that was really exciting. I was not expecting it to be here today already. I thought it was going to take at least 2 more days or so, give or take. For now, I'm going to put my little swatch sticks in here. So this is the next nail mail that I got. It's quite a surprise. I was not expecting this. Says something fab just for you. And this. So this says Parrot Polish, and it's in a little heart-shaped love hearts, of course. And I believe it's a soap. Not sure. This was in there. Oh, wow. And I believe this was, this is from SUPERCHIC. This is so pretty. It's SUPERCHIC Marvel at the Avengers. It's vegan and cruelty-free, which is great. 5 and 4 free formula. This is so pretty, y'all. Look at that. It's a beautiful holographic. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to use that. See what this is. It says thank you here. Ooh. Ooh, this is so cute. I have a new keychain for my new car keys. How cute is this? It's a little bow with little honeybees. That is so cute. And you can tell this is handmade. Ooh, look at these. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. My favorite print too. Wow. Look at how pretty these are. Look at the glitter. The leopard print and the black. Oh, these are too cute. I love it. This is from Clinch Mountain Creations is where these are from. Clinch Mountain Creations. You can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram at Clinch_Mountain_Creations and Facebook.com/Dana Esposito 89, I believe. Very cool. Ooh, and they can make items for you too. So you can get stuff custom made, y'all. Very nice. Okay, so we're gonna have to go check out her site, give her a follow. I'm gonna definitely follow after I am done with this video. Thank you so much. I love it. Love this for sure. Oh my gosh, this color is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. It's just so pretty, and I love the label. Let's see. Ooh. Let's swatch it. Let's see. I got my little thingies here. Oh, this is so pretty. Love it. It's really pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Who was it say? Jennifer from SUPERCHIC. I feel like I'm saying it wrong. I don't know. I think that's right. But thank you. Thank you so, so much. I absolutely love everything. My Madam Glam. I love my little surprise mail that I got. This was a great surprise. So can't wait to put all this to some use. I'm throwing this on my car keys right away. And yeah, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Of all my little nail mail that I received today. It's always fun getting nail mail in, and yeah, I'm so excited about everything. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and when you do, click that notification bell so you guys will know when I upload new videos, and you will be the first to get that notification and click on my video and watch it. Give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.